We have joint collaborations with the Taiwanese AVEREX brand, where they are manufacturer of completely horizontal machining centers, and they are pioneer for the last 20 years in Taiwan. We have joint collaborations with them, and first machine we have launched here, and we are going to manufacture in-house completely in Coimbatore, our manufacturing facilities. There is one more machine, drill tap center VD510S, which is completely manufactured here, where this ATC is 21 tool changer is there. So it is high-speed machining. It is for the component, for more production, this machine is very ideal conditions. We use here Mitsubishi controller, this. We have displayed here this vertical machining center, VL7610, that X is 700 and Y is 600. So this is also a fast-moving model here. So here the customized we used to do even a Fanuc controller, and as well as standard is a Mitsubishi controller. So as per customer request, we do always this. This is also our in-house manufacturing surface grinder, 400 by 800. We also wide range of applications, right from 300 to 600. Here this is a bigger size model. Apart from this, we have laser cutting machines, right from 3 meter by 1.5 meter, 1.5 kilowatt to 3 kilowatt. This is completely in-house manufactured in Coimbatore, and we do up to 20 kilowatt in Coimbatore. This is an open body structure, ST3015H, which is a closed body. The customer who need closed body structure, we always manufacture and supply this one. Especially these machines are mostly utilized for the sheet metal industries. This length is 6.5 meter and the width is 2.5 meter. So we have a capacity of 1.5 kilowatt from smaller ranges to higher up to 20 kilowatt. We also can produce in Coimbatore unit. We have installed all over India about 250 machines as of now. So this is the YCM Taiwan brand NSC 106AM, which is die mold application mostly used. We have installed more than 1,300 machines all over India as of now. We are in association with the YCM last 25 years, and this machine especially for the die mold applications. So you can see there are the components. It is ideal for the die mold industry. This component all are very precision. The customer who requires more precision, this machine is used normally. CNC brass wire type. So all the castings, whatever we use in this machine, is just taken from YCM foundry. The accuracy levels here 3 micron accuracy. The travel is 400 by 300. Height is 220. Mostly used for the stamping, progressive tools and all. This brass wire reading is used here. So 22-degree taper angle we can do even for 80 mm thickness. The surface finish is about 0.4 micron array is possible in this machine, and cutting speed is about 200 mm square per minute. This is CNC die sinking EDM machines, which is 6-axis control, X, Y, then Z, then C axis is there, and there is ATC completely. So totally 6-axis control, which is used Japanese elements like drives and all. It's Panasonic drives we use here. It's the column movement machines, 400 by 300. Height is again 300. XY travel is 400 by 300 here. We use Linux controller. It is a technology is from Japanese, and you can use here 0.07 micron array finish is possible in this machine. Mali wire EDM machines, which is low cost one, and it is very user friendly, and running cost of this machine is very less. It is about 40 rupees per hour, and whereas the brass wire redeem will come around 200 rupees per hour. For this all production component is better. All punches you can see here. So here accuracy what we specify is about 10 micron accuracy, where surface reference will come around 1.2 micron array. Especially for the productions, people always use it because the wastage of the material is not much. So we displayed completely all the ranges here. If we take it, whether it is a metal cutting or metal forming and plastic injection molding machines, everything we have completely for the tool room machineries, whatever needed, everything is available with us.